Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox the brand new Lenovo IdeaPad 3. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is a lightweight and easy to carry. The IdeaPad 3 Gen 7 laptop features a wide viewing ratio so you can show off the stellar 15.6 inches FHD display to multiple people from nearly every angle. You can't bring your office with you, but you can bring the features of the IdeaPad 3 Gen 7 laptop anywhere, including a crystal clear 720p HD webcam and a full-function USB-C port to integrate with other devices. Simple to use and easy to integrate with other devices, the IdeaPad 3 Gen 7 offers smart noise cancelling, a private shutter for the webcam, and a 15.6 inches FHD display that's a bit like taking an office or workspace with you, except it fits in your bag. The IdeaPad 3 Gen 7 is perfect for streaming video thanks to its wide viewing ratio, offering crystal clear FHD displays even if you're viewing it from a side angle. Narrow bezels offer a screen viewing experience of a much larger viewer, as though you purchased a larger laptop. That would be all guys, thank you for watching.